Skylander to unlock this gate.
I'll turn it into a light.
They did. Oh, you poor thing. There it is.
Skylanders of the undead element are stronger in this zone.
Oh, this is so easy.
Not so. No! I did most of the work.
Oh, wait, what's over here?
Ooh, you're looking. What are you looking for? Ah. Yeah. What episode was that anyway? Like for Futurama when they're like, when he's like,
You got it back. Spectacular. I can't thank you enough. Here, have that too. Maybe it'll be lucky for you.
it's me.
Dang it! Whoa, it's
It's
two.
me.
It's two.
No, wait, let's not open it, let's not open it. Ah, no, I was supposed to again. You remember that?
Oh, yeah.
That was pretty cool. Not the glitch, but that's, we're not gonna complain, because that's a good glitch.
I'm a sexy dragon. I'm a sexy dragon. I'm a sexy dragon. I'm a sexy dragon.
Oh yeah, I found out. I don't speak some Soul Gem over here.
I'm sexy, I know, and I'm a sexy dragon. I'm a sexy dragon. I'm a sexy
No,
dragon.
no, yeah.
I'm a sexy dragon. I'm a sexy dragon. I'm a sexy dysfunctional. I know it, but you don't know it.
Yeah, you're right. I don't know.
You don't know.
You're the only one that has somewhere to go, so I'll say no. Press it again.
I just threw it. I just threw it.
Thank you. I have somewhere to go. Ooh, I found yours.
Oh no, I know. Okay.
Bring the thing back. Go. Okay. No.
Oh, I know what you're gonna do. Okay. How do I get over there?
Okay.
Huh, man? So how do I get over there?
Wait. Okay, do it again.
I'm a sexy dragon.
No, you're not.
It's not.
Shut up, or I won't help you this time. Okay, go back. Do the thing.
I'm a sexy dragon, but you don't.
Shut up.
Okay, gee.
You want it or not?
Yeah, I do. Don't I?
Okay, come on.
Okay, now I know what you're gonna do.
Goodbye. You're on your own.
Yo, this again.
Yo, shut up. No.
Oh, our favorite part. Oh, sorry.
Yo. No.
Come on, Daddy.
I want daddy. Hey,
I gave you one.
you're still fat.
You're fat too, fatty head.
You're fat.
You're a fat doo-doo head.
You just Just shut up right now.
Hey, remember?
Wait, shut up on that. I'm just gonna be quiet for a second. Hey, somebody on. No, come on. Someone from here. Look at all these guys. They're like, come on, pick that. Hey, I was gonna pick him.
Oh. How do you first? How do you?
Fine. I was gonna pick him at the edge. I always said player 2 first.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, you saw, folks. It's Joey Stumble Blast, yo.
Stop saying that, yo.
I don't say it.
Yeah, you say that, you're like, yo, stop saying it.
We're in 1985. If we were, we would be just here.
Wait. There's the girl. She has the...
Run away.
No, I don't want to go to her. I don't like her. But come on, let's go. Yeah.
Well, she's upset. She said she's mean to me. She says I'm fat and slobbery.
Yeah, for a few seconds.
I'm gonna just mouse post.
Alright, I wish we could like throw people, like throw them, like.
Oh yeah. But like in on the Wii U, when on the.
Oh, all you need is a bonus map and another hat.
It's all your fault. I didn't care. It's all your fault.
Wow, you didn't tell me she was so old.
Oh.
Greebles! I can't stand Greebles! If I see one more Greeble, I'm gonna pop! Excuse me.
Let's get going. Kick this bird into high gear.
Yikes, okay, you chieftainess, keep your...
What happened? I didn't do
Oh,
anything.
you skipped it.
I didn't do nothing, bro.
Yeah, you did.
I didn't do
Just
this.
look at it,
Just look, I can put it right here.
I don't know this.
Yeah, see, that's why.
Here! I've seen enough! Turn it off! Despite my army of evil dimwits, I was still able to get the information I needed from that miserable do-gooding chiefess. Thanks to my incomprehensible powers of persuasion, I now know, more or less, with some margin of error, the general whereabouts of the 4 elementals here in the Cloudbreak Islands.
Ah, good work, Master. What's your plan?
Simple fool. All I need to do is evilize one, just one of those pitiful creatures. Then, when they come together to perform their ridiculous magic act, the entire volcano will turn evil.
There's only another one, huh, guy? Alright, Jack?
When the evilized
Wait,
volcano
what?
finally erupts,
No.
this will spread
No, I don't
across
think
all
so.
the
That-
sky.
It
I don't
needs to be continuing.
No.
Remember what you said?
Supreme ruler.
Oh, okay.
No, that's the big tune. What are you talking about?
Sir.
Yes, and there's nothing no sky
You don't remember? Oh my
users can
God.
do about it.
Well, probably.
You're just
Anyway,
stupid.
What are
You're
you saying, Glumshanks?
You're stupid
well, it's
too.
just that,
You should
You're
know.
wrong.
You should know.
sometimes, usually,
You don't get it.
always.
You don't get it.
You know, Glumshanks, I'm having
I don't even know what I'm talking about.
your commitment to evil.
Oh yeah, we're talking about there's not gonna be any. There's not gonna be the new one.
I'm trying to tell you shut up because so they won't know.
There will be nothing to stop your flawless, unparalleled victory, Lord Chaos.
Ah, much better, evil Glumshanks. Now,
But you weren't
I
getting
want you
it.
to go to the dig site and oversee the equalizer
I
operation.
very nicely.
We need as much petrified
Good.
darkness as we can get.
Yes, Lord Chaos. It will be done.
Look at my numbers grow.